Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make ebook website in WordPress. So let's begin. First of all, we have to go inside the plugins here. So in the plugin, click on the add new. Alright, so for the book store template, I will be using starter templates here. Okay, so you can simply download any other template, but I will be using starter template. And in a starter template, I can find a lot of the different templates there. Okay, after installing and activating the starter template, as you can see here that I have already installed and activated this, we have to install the WooCommerce. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the WooCommerce at the top of the search. So I have to update this. I have already installed this. That is why I have to update this. Alright, so after installing the WooCommerce, we have to activate the WooCommerce. Okay, so for that, I have to go inside the install plugins. And here I have to search for the WooCommerce. Alright, so we have the WooCommerce and WooCommerce is already activated. Okay, so now first of all, what I need to do, I have to go inside the starter templates. And from there, I have to choose a book store template that we can use for our ebook website. Alright, so from here, you can see here we have a lot of the different templates here. So I would actually click on the book store here. You will be able to see that we have the book store template at the top of the search. So I'll just simply click here and I have to click on the skip and continue. Okay, so if you want to change the default color, you can simply change it from here. Or if you want to change the font, you can also change it from here. But I'm actually pretty good with the default fonts here. So let's click on the continue again. Click on the skip and continue. Now we have to submit and build our website. So now the starter template is building our website. Alright, so now our website has been created. So now let's just have a look at our website. Alright, so now you can see here that this is our ebook website. Okay, so now let's click on the books. And you will be able to see the books here. Alright, so if I just click here, you can see here that we have the ebooks here. And this is actually the product page of our ebook website. This is looking really good. And we also have the dummy reviews here. Alright, so now let's just go back to our WordPress dashboard. And from there, we will like to add our own ebook product. Okay, so let's click here, click on the dashboard. And from here, as you can see here, we have the products. So let's click on the all products. And from here, we will simply add a new ebook here. So let's click on the add new. And let's just write down new ebook here. And let's just try to have something in the description of our ebook. So there would be, this is the description of the book. All right. And the product is virtual and it is also downloadable. All right. And from here, we simply upload our ebook file. And we also have the download limit. We have the download expiry. Okay. All right. So now let's just write down the price here. So this would be $40. And sale price would be $30. Okay. So in the downloadable files, you can actually upload the file or you can also add the URL of the file. Okay. So let's click on the choose file. And from here, I would simply like to upload the PDF here. So this is a dummy PDF. And here I have to write down the name of the file. Okay. Click on the add file. So this is how we can add the file of our ebook. Okay. After that, we can write down the short description of our product, but I would like to skip this at the moment. And in the end, I would actually like to add the product image. So this is the product image of our ebook. And this is it. Click on the publish. Now, if I just click on the link of our ebook, now you'll be able to see that this is how our product page of the ebook is looking. All right. So this is looking really great. And if I just click on the books here, you will also be able to see our new ebook here. Alright, so this is how it works. And this is how we can create ebook website in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.